just a little video here with the M series for if you are having your door sensors come up the wrong way. So we're going to go into settings, infotainment, scroll down to about device. Just select this little settings icon there and the pin 8878. Okay. You want to go into your CAN type and then XP. Now depending on your model, there could be different ones for your model. So below, for example, for a Holden it says GM, but we actually want GMC, and then we can swap or go between that and normal to go between what is suited for your car.